Experiencing no service or slow data on your T-Mobile LTE connection? Multiple factors could be causing these connectivity issues. Understanding these causes is the first step to resolving them. T-Mobile's network is constantly evolving. The company is actively upgrading existing towers to meet the latest 5G standards, which can cause temporary disruptions in your area. As of June 2025, T-Mobile is shutting down its 2G GSM network. This process is creating newly formed dead zones in areas that previously relied on GSM coverage. Outages do occur regularly. For example, there was a recent T-Mobile outage on June 20th, 2025, that lasted approximately 38 minutes, affecting users nationwide. Several technical factors commonly cause connectivity issues. Poor signal strength is often the primary culprit, especially in buildings or remote areas. Network congestion during peak hours can significantly slow down your data speeds, especially in densely populated areas. A faulty or old SIM card can cause various connectivity problems. SIM cards can degrade over time or become damaged. Software bugs on your device and data deprioritization based on your plan or usage can also affect your connection quality. Your first troubleshooting step should always be checking T-Mobile's coverage map to ensure you're in a covered area and to check for any reported outages in your location. Understanding these common causes helps you identify whether your connectivity issue is temporary, location-based, or requires specific troubleshooting steps to resolve. Let's fix your T-Mobile LTE connection with these proven troubleshooting steps. We'll start with the simplest solutions and work our way up to more advanced fixes. First, try the basic fixes. Restart your device completely. This clears temporary glitches that often cause connection problems. Next, check your SIM card. Remove it carefully, clean the gold contacts with a soft cloth, and reinsert it properly. If your SIM card is old or damaged, get a new one from T-Mobile. APN settings are crucial for data connectivity. The most common T-Mobile APN is fast.tmobile.com. For mobile hotspots, use pcweb.tmobile.com instead. Reset your network settings to clear any configuration issues. This will reset your Wi-Fi passwords, so make sure you have them saved elsewhere before proceeding. Keep your software up to date. Update both your device's operating system and the T-Mobile app. Also, clear the T-Mobile app's cache and data to resolve any app-specific issues. For advanced issues, especially on Xiaomi phones, you might need system repair tools like TenorShare Reboot for Android. This can fix deeper system-level connectivity problems. If none of these steps work, contact T-Mobile support. Dial 611 from your T-Mobile phone or call 1-800-937-8997 from any phone. Their technical support team can help with network-specific issues in your area.